Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw this retro TV. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's draw the frame for the TV. Now let's draw the screen. After that, draw a rectangular box. Now draw two circles for the knobs and lines for the speakers. Now let's draw the antenna. Now let's draw the legs. Using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. Now erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.